Investment portfolio. So I'm gonna share some things about investment portfolio. When you're in investing, you probably want to not put everything in one basket. That's true, but also it's about you understanding your own knowledge and what you understand well, and what is important to you, like value investing or growth investing, or sometimes like short-term trading for a quick opportunity. There's so many ways, it's a lot more involved. Obviously, I want to give a brief overview of investment portfolio, in which if you have whatever you have, you want to invest, you probably want to separate into multiple things. It could be like stocks, it could be bonds, it could be real estate, it could be even P2P lending. Now with the crowdfunding opportunities, you can also invest in crowdfunding. So there are like so many options. It's up to you to choose how much you allocate to each one, and it's about you and what's important to you. That's what it comes to ultimately. But usually, you can always prioritize what's important to you, like some in real estate where you can get fixed income, like rental income, or fixed income, kind of those things, versus some in growth investing, which are a little bit more risky too, with timing and whatnot, and some others which are value add, like value investing, which if you understand well, like you work in the industry, you understand that what they're doing, and you can see it yourself. Like there are some people who work in sales teams, and they can see the company is growing. So there's like a couple of simple ways to see and how what is what, and it all depends on you, because ultimately it's your choice how you want to do. But I'm gonna talk about my own investing portfolio. I have Kiwi stock, Kiwi. That's one technology company. They have a lot of technology in Bitcoin, blockchain, all those things, blockchain software, and their financial services. And I have some real estate, and I have some real estate also via Realty Mogul. That is crowdfunded website. Realty Mogul has multiple options, and I'm in Realty Mogul 2, which is commercial property with value add. So they buy them up and fix them up, improve the property. So they're adding value. So that's like value investing. And they're also peer-to-peer, but I don't have anything in the peer-to-peer. But that's another option if you want, like lending club or there's so many other options nowadays. But I'm gonna make some more videos explaining. Uh, but it all depends upon you, where you are. So portfolio is like where you are separating some of the pieces so you don't take all the risk. And another important thing is you need to have some cash. Like if you have some opportunity later, or when you need it, sometimes some of them are illiquid. Like real estate is not so liquid. It takes a long time to cash, or some of those crowdfunding you may not expect to get it for a couple of months, and they're expected to be long term. So you need to understand all those things when you're managing your own portfolio, like investment portfolio management. If you're doing it for yourself, even if you have somebody else manage it for you, like a professional financial advisor, you are want to learn some of it for yourself, just to understand just enough for whatever the thing that interests you, because it's such a big field with so many things to know in so many diverse fields. And results always differ, because it depends on timing, it depends on what choices you make, and when you exit, what do you enter. So it's all depends, but to summarize, investment portfolio is like the big picture of multiple allocations of what you have, and how much, and all the timing, and what's important to you. So hopefully you got some ideas in this, but I'm gonna do more videos teaching all the investing things, and you can learn. And if you like, you can subscribe, and you can also contact me by email.